Our pistachio cookies are soft on the inside with a moist cake texture and filled with melt-in-your-mouth chocolate morsels. And the cookie has a special crunch of pistachio and nuts. Delish! Hello, my name is Chef Fran, and today we're making our pistachio cookies. To make our pistachio cookies, we will need a yellow cake mix, jello pistachio pudding, or just pistachio pudding. Doesn't have to be jello. Pistachio the nuts. We want some semi-sweet chocolate chips, some white chocolate chips, some vegetable oil, and some eggs. So in here in our mixer, we have our yellow cake mix. We have the 2 eggs, the half a cup of vegetable oil, the pudding mix in here, 1 1/2 teaspoon of pure almond extract. And so we are going to whisk that up. To make our pudding, well, to make our pistachio cookies. I'm actually going to use a little bit of green coloring. So it's green right now, but a little too pale. I prefer just a tad bit darker. So we're going to do that. So this is what I've added. It looks like I did add a little bit of the avocado color to it. And we're going to add our morsels. We're going to fold in our morsels and some pistachio nuts I have, and then scoop this onto parchment paper and tray to bake. I scooped out the dough from our pistachio cookies. It's on our baking sheet, 350 for about 12 to 15 minutes, probably closer to 14 to 15 minutes. Anyway, it's going in the oven, and you will see it when it's done. Vitamin content yellow cake mix is potassium, iron, and calcium. Eggs A, B2, B5, B6, B12, E, D, K, and iron. Vegetable oil A, D, E, and K. Pistachios B6. Look how beautiful the pistachio cookies look, with the white and semi-sweet morsels popping through. Look at the pretty green color. And the tasty pistachio nuts are hidden inside the soft cookie. Look at our nice pistachio cookies. You see that white chocolate that's in here, as well as the dark chocolate and some of the crushed pistachio nuts in here. I love pistachio. Actually, my 2 favorite ice creams really are pistachio and coffee. So I'm in heaven with this pistachio. And come with me and eat this cookie. Just 2, made out of cake batter, super good. Again, strong pistachio flavor. If you love pistachio, this is for you. So it's for me, and hopefully for you too. Subscribe for more delicious recipes and vitamin details. Also, your support will continue to allow my channel to grow. And share this channel with your family and friends. They'll appreciate it. Trust me, they will. Or if you want to make something different, comment below and let me know. Thank you again for spending your time with me. I really do appreciate it. Come help me eat my cookie. I love you guys.